JBS was founded in Brazil in 1953. We started very small operations in the beef side. We have about 270,000 employees worldwide.
The previous version of SAP that we were running was more than 20 years old and was really hampering our ability to grow. JBS has grown tremendously over the last 15 years. We've been constrained by technology, so S/4HANA was really a chance to modernize that core system and allow us to keep expanding and growing into more markets.
Reply is a global IT services and technology provider working with many hyperscalers in the world, as well as ERP software providers such as SAP. Reply is helping JBS with their S4 transformation from their current SAP ECC system to a new S/4HANA platform. So there is a whole innovation component of our delivery, as well as we're partnering with other companies to transform the technology, which means data as well as custom code objects.
In terms of how smartShift partners with Reply in this project, smartShift leads the custom code modernization and dual maintenance requirements for JBS as part of their journey to S/4HANA. Now, in terms of the advantages, first, comprehensive transformation. With automation, you're not limited to a manual-based basic compliance approach. smartShift, because we understand code at such a deep level, can go in and look at opportunities for the customer to take out some of the code, to start that clean core journey while they're still on an ECC environment, and do some safe code decommissioning, eliminating some of that technical debt. Second, quality of outcome. This is really what smartShift hangs our hat on, is the idea of delivering quality throughout the whole transformation process. We have delivered over 800 million lines of custom code transformation for S4 just in the last few years alone. And third and fourth, speed and scale. smartShift's able to transform massive custom code repositories, and we've done this for some of the largest customers in the world, in as little as 6 weeks, right? So the full transformation, unit tested, accepted by the customer in weeks. Handle this against any manual approach, you're looking at months or years.
CBS is an international consulting company headquartered in Heidelberg in Germany. CBS's role in this project is to move over data from SAP ECC to SAP S/4HANA. We do that in a way that we carve out selectively data in SAP ECC, move them over. Some of the data will be retained as is, but some of these data and processes undergo changes on the way to SAP S/4HANA. We are transforming them and make them run in the new processes in SAP S/4HANA. Also, we move over some historic data to make sure that the customer has access to those data even in the new environment.
Now let me put this into context at JBS. When we encountered JBS in 2021 with the team at Reply, we discovered a very large custom code repository. By JBS's own estimation, they were looking at 15 to 30 developers, up to 9 months of manual developer effort to do this. smartShift was able to come in and transform the repository, unit test, accepted by JBS in less than 8 weeks. JBS estimated that this saved them 30,000 man-hours of manual developer effort. Let me tell you a little bit more about the value of automation for custom code transformation during an S4 program. It has to do with something that's often overlooked by customers. It's the dual maintenance requirement. smartShift recognized this critical business requirement. In using our intelligent automation platform combined with some open source Git technology, we created a fully automated dual maintenance solution. Our solution is designed to take program objects written in BAU, the business as usual environment, analyze them, merge them, and adapt them for compliance in the project landscape. This is really impactful because it allows the customer to continue to have business continuity throughout the S4 journey, the program journey, and they avoid long code freezes as they get closer to go live.
What makes the JBS and Reply partnership so special really comes down to the fit and excitement between both organizations.
If you were to watch the team work in our project center, you would have a hard time differentiating between who's a JBS employee and who's a Reply employee. It's really become one team that's focused on moving forward and making this project successful.
Although they are a large company, they were really looking for a partner who could be a trusted advisor and really an extension of their organization. And we fit in perfectly to that. They trusted us, and that overall trust and culture fit that we've experienced over the last few years has absolutely been a key component of the success of this project.